Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM YouTube channel. I just had a thought, I just had a thought that I'm going to entitle this video, Who Did What? Okay, why do I ask that question? Well, remember, this trade was traded in isolation because it's only the DAX trading, and it's saying right now, look, the trend is unknown, doesn't know which way it's going, so therefore there's not going to be a trade. And if this is unknown and this is unknown, oh, we got another trade, look, an uptrend, here we go. And I wanted to find out, and this is all automated, by the way, it sets an automated stop back here, and this question was who did what? Was, well, this placed the trade, but in a way of managing the trade, it was this over here, the TenKei total profit target over here. Remember, this is a demo account we set up earlier. We hope, we trust this goes up. But would it go any higher? Well, look at this. The DAX is already at its highs. So I wouldn't myself want to place a live, well, not say live trade, a trade myself, a manual trade, because I'd be thinking it's already too high. But there was this chap called, whether he's still around, William O'Neill. You always used to say when buying stocks, if the stocks are going higher, you buy, higher highs when you're buying stocks, buying shares. But trading, does that really work? Well, they do trade, don't they? They buy into the actual stock itself. But what I wanted to point out, as in who did what, this was what did the work in a way of managing the trade. Okay, so this is not managing the trade as in this stop. This stop has been set by this EA over here because we're using the EA with the TPT. But this, when it went up, last trade, when it went up 3 points in our favor, well, we didn't want to lose any points. So it locked in, let's see, it was set to use a profit lock-in, yes, and the trigger was at 3. And it locked in 3, and a trailing stop, yes, started when it went to 3. It trailed at 1 point behind, but what happened at that time, if we close it over here, at that time, it didn't move up far enough. It pulled back. It wouldn't have stopped us out, but you could say if you use scalpers, at least you got 3 points, okay? That's what that is all about. So who did what? This one, he placed, or she or it placed the trade because it's more volatile than the rest. Remember, high volatility, medium volatility, low volatility, but this managed the trade. Now, this EA over here, whether it be this one or that one over there, you can still, once you get this system, you can still set it to lock in profits. It's all in here, but we only really want one doing one job at one time because it makes more sense for this manager to manage. But we also found that the manager can manage so well, you don't really need this, not necessarily, because you can use this manager, this TPT, the 10K total profit target, with your own EA, with your own style of trading. So really, yeah, this is a promotion on this chap, this person, this female, this 10K total profit target, this TPT to do the work. So who did what? This closed or managed the trade. Okay? Thank you. And we shall leave this running. Thank you.